Hey, what's up internet marketers? It's Ike Paz, and today I'm going to show you how to make 3D covers for lead magnets fast. And this is without any design skills, without tech know-how, or without any talent whatsoever. Now, if you don't know what a lead magnet is, it's basically a freebie or a lead generator that gets your traffic to opt in their email in order to receive that freebie. This is a great way to control your traffic and to offer them more help, be it free or paid affiliate offers to help you profit online. Okay. Also, today's method is about higher conversion rates, more leads, and more sales. Because if you have a nice software cover or ebook cover, 3D cover, that's gonna look and give your landing page more prestige, more professionalism, which will lead to higher conversion rates, which of course gets you more leads, and ultimately we get those leads in order to get more sales. Okay? And like always, don't forget to like and subscribe. And the free tools you're going to be using, the first one is Pixabay. It's a free public domain resource I use. It's where I get a lot of my images. Okay. The second free tool we're going to be using is Gimp, 100% free open source. And the third tool is Canva. Again, this is super simple. Once you learn this method, you'll be able to create 3D covers in no time. Also, I urge you to check out the link down below to get a complete solution to create lead magnets, reports, and ebooks in a flash. Okay, so how do we do this? Okay, first thing you want to do is go to Canva, open a free account. I use only the free version. You want to scroll down and go to the create a design section, and I want you to look for what's called the Pinterest design. Don't worry, we're not making a Pinterest pin. I'm gonna pick this template here, and I'm gonna be very off the cuff with this lead magnet because I don't know much about the travel niche or the travel market. So let's say, for example, visit the sites of Rome. Let's shrink that, and it's a very simple Canva. It's very intuitive, not much is needed. It's very simple to use. So I have my visit the sites of Rome, get the 10 best Roman travel coupons, for example. And increase that. Okay, so we're done with our template here. What you're gonna do now is you're gonna download this. Once it's downloaded, I want you to go to Pixabay and look for software box. Okay, and I want you to go to the color section and click on transparent and click go. So you're gonna find a number of software boxes. Just download the one you like. Okay, I'm gonna use a simple black one. Download the one you like. Then you're gonna open up Gimp. Very simple. You're gonna go to where your software box is. I'm gonna use this black one here. I'm gonna move it on over to the inside Gimp. And don't be worried about all these buttons and stuff. We're only gonna use one button. So don't worry about that. Go to the download section to find where you downloaded your free template. Here it is. And I'm gonna slide it on over into this section right here. Okay, this is the cool part. Now we're gonna go to the toolbox section. And you're gonna click on this button, perspective tool. Okay, click on the perspective tool, and then you're gonna click inside of the template. And then you're gonna take these corners and just drag them to the ends or the corners of the software box. Just like that. nice and slowly. And you're gonna have a 3D cover box in no time. And then click transform. And there you go. Now I'm gonna download this. And there you go. You have a 3D book cover for your lead magnets. Again, a very simple way to add credibility, to make your landing page, your squeeze page more professional looking, generate those leads, and ultimately generate sales. Again, if you wanna learn how to create a complete lead magnet, any ebook, any report, extremely fast without writing anything, check out the link below or go to landtolead.com. Okay, thank you very much and come back for more tutorials just like this one. Bye-bye.